Hello guys, welcome back to this channel at All Robotics. In this video we are going to see how to interface LCD screen with Arduino. So basically before starting this I have to explain a little bit about this LCD screen because we are going to use a library for it. Means there will be some code that we are exporting some code from somewhere else, so there will be new functions, new way of interfacing. So first let's see the hardware configuration of this LCD screen, and I will also tell you that why you should use I2C connected with this LCD screen. So now let's start this video. So guys, this is our LCD screen. It is also known as 16x2 LCD screen. Why? I will just tell you that in a minute. First of all, let's see that there are 16 pins and you have to connect these all 16 pins to Arduino to use this LCD screen. Next is, this is called 16x2 because here you can see that there are 16 columns and 2 rows, and in this 16 column and 2 rows you can write any letter. Basically 16 into 2 is equal to 32. So at a time you can write 32 letters on this LCD at a time. Next we will see the connection with Arduino. So here you can see that this is how we connect one LCD screen with Arduino. We don't connect these 4 pins, and rest here you can see that we also need 1 kilo ohm resistor and 220 ohms resistor to connect this. But for me this is a really complicated circuit, and I will suggest you that you should avoid this. Now because I have seen many beginners trying to make this circuit and they are not able to make it, so better to avoid as a beginner. So now I will give you the solution. So solution is this. This is an I2C LCD screen connector. So basically these are the 16 pins that you need to connect to the LCD screen, and these are the 4 pins that you need to connect to the Arduino. So now you don't need to connect those 16 pins, only 4 pins, that is ground, 5 volt, SDA and SCL, A4 and A5, SEA and SDL are A4 and A5 for Arduino Uno and Nano. And here you can see that this is the jumper backlight. Means in your LCD screen there is a backlight. If you want to, then you can give it an external power plus and minus. This is the power LED. Means whenever this board is powered by Arduino, this will glow. And this is the potentiometer. Actually this is used for setting the contrast of the LCD screen. I will show the use of this in reality after explaining this. Next is how to connect it. So you can see that the connection is very simple. This is the end, so you have to keep the 4 pins of this module toward the end of the LCD screen, and then you have to insert all the pins inside that module, and it's done. And now this is the connection. Very simple, right? SCL will be connected to A5, SDA will be connected to A4, and VCC is connected to 5 volt, and GND is connected to GND. So you now know the difference between this and this. Now it's upon you. If you want to, then you can also use this circuit, and you can also use this circuit. But I will suggest that use this circuit. This is very easy to use now. Let's connect this I2C connector to LCD screen. So guys, this is our LCD screen. You can see that these are the 16 pins, and this is our I2C connector. So I will just see, this is the reverse part of our LCD screen. Now what I will do, I will just keep the pins in the end of the part. So these pins are at this end, and then just insert it inside this. So now it's done. Now what I will do, I will just solder this using soldering iron. So now you can see that I have soldered all the pins correctly, and now we are ready to interface these 4 pins with Arduino. Guys, we have started a new sketch and ready to start the programming of our LCD screen. I have already connected the LCD screen according to this schematic I have already shown you this. Now before doing any programming, what I will do, I will open this link. Here is the link for the library. We have to download a library. So I have tried many library, and for me this library worked very well. So I will give the link of this library in the description, and I will just open this library. Here is it, and now I will just download it, and I'm going to download it on desktop and just save it and go. Now I will go to our Arduino. Sorry, here it is. Now look this very carefully. I will go to include library, then add a zip library. Now this is here. Now I will go to desktop, and here this is my library. I will just double click it. So if this is showing, this line is showing, then your library is imported correctly. Now what I will do, I will just go to file, examples, and here I will just go down, and here you will see here Arduino Liquid Crystal I2C. So I will just open the hello world, and this is the basic library. You don't need to do anything. And now I will just upload this code. So now you can see that I have uploaded the code, and now it's working correctly. So whenever you will move your screen like this, then this kind of thing happens. Like whenever your LCD is not connected correctly, or due to loose connection, you can see like this. So for that, just press the reset button of your Arduino, and here see that this is again back. Now I told you that I will show you the use of this potentiometer. So I am just keeping it here, and now I am showing you. I will just put here. Now see this. When I am moving this in one side, you see there is nothing, and when I am moving slowly to the other side, you will see suddenly our hello world is there. And now if I keep moving this type of thing come up. Now you can see that why this is called 16:2 LCD screen, because there are 16. So I will reduce a little bit, and I think this is the perfect point where I am getting hello world. So I have also shown you how to use this regulator to adjust the contrast of your screen. So that's it for this video, guys. In next video I will show you some more useful functions of this library. Okay guys, signing out. See you in the next video.